First thing, what you need: Coca-Cola, a plastic cup, and some Mentos. First step, you get your Coca-Cola and then put it halfway in. Then you get the Mentos and then put it, drop it in the Coca-Cola and observe what happens, and then write it on your science notebook. And thanks for watching.